Hey guys, welcome to Wolverine Gaming from server 1051, and as you can see we got new event in here, that is a Christmas event. In here you're gonna get double joy for 6 days 21 hours. You can get double individual truck rewards, that's good, and double rewards for arm race badge daily progress chests also, and up to 20 players can compete for excavator reward. So that's plus 10 added in here for few days, 6 days, 7 days. Okay, so you can have that benefit for 20 players of excavation dig rewards. Okay, so first of all, you can see the Christmas celebration is given in here, and we're gonna check that out too. Let me make some research in here first. So let's go to the celebration event, and we're gonna click on this and let's go check. So you can claim the rewards for daily task in here. So you need to complete daily task in this, and you're gonna get good rewards for it. You can check out daily task for that, like buy any pack in the store, recruit heroes 2 times, make 5 alliance donation, help allies 10 times, dispatch your trade truck once time. And we got snowball in here, just like Halloween event. You can roll out dice. We got 2 dice in free, and this is so daily free buy. So we got 3 dice in here, so we can roll out and let's check out what we got. So we getting, oh, nice. So we got some rewards in here, you can check out, like tickets, Christmas voucher, 100 gems, and Christmas lucky voucher, chest, and some stamina. Okay, so you can claim out here, and there's a party option given in here. Let's check out the party option. So there is a Christmas party which will be available after 20 points, and you can click on the go button, and you can see we got some Christmas event option in here, and on by clicking it we got legendary universal shards. So you can have that after some points. And let's check out Christmas store. You can see, bro, we got some rare offers in here, like the icy worm castle skin, which is gonna increase your boost hero attack plus 5%, and holding in stock, boost hero HP plus 5%, boost hero defense plus 5%. Let's check the animation in here. Oh, that's really good, man. And second one is, so that's basically a fantastic ice worm castle we can obtain. Also we got snow lift with special effect permanent, holding in stock, will increase 150 plus boost skill damage. Okay, you can also claim other rewards like decoration, universal shards, some battle data points plus speed ups. You can get hero XP chest and upgrade ore. Okay, so choose wisely. We got double joy, and there's a Christmas carnival in here. We got some gifts for it, and you can submit your candies in here. Okay, which can be obtained by these tasks. Okay, you just have to complete radar task, rally on Doomilite, rally on zombies, wanted boss, Doom Walker, can compete in general trial, Christmas time, alliance exercise, and you can claim these candies in that events, like you can see in radar tasks, we getting the candies in here. So you can obtain them from various events as I told. And let's check out Christmas gift section. I guess this is gonna be for spending players, so let's ignore it. And you can redeem these mega rare skins if you have those 9.99 or 4.99 tickets. Go for these if you have those vouchers. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope this video helps you. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.